Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting video for you guys today because I have an unboxing, and this is from a brand that I've always wanted to buy from that I've never bought from before. Before we get started, I just wanted to show you guys something really cute. So you guys know it's been a struggle for me to film, especially with the baby. He's been in basically all of my videos, and I'm sure you saw in one of the ones that I recently uploaded. He was actually like even on me. I had to carry him throughout the video, but I've actually set him up right next to me so that he's watching me film, and he seems to be really happy. Like, look how cute this is. Hi, Killian. Hi. Are you happy watching mommy film? Yeah. Yeah, you're happy. Anyways, let's get on to the unboxings. Yes, there is 2 unboxings. Before we get started, as you can probably tell, this video is sponsored by Farfetch, so I just wanted to thank them for sponsoring. I'm so excited that Farfetch decided to work with me again because, as you guys know, I absolutely love shopping on there. This brand that I'm talking about today, I've always wanted to try their items, but I've always hesitated because it is like an international brand, and I'm always worried about like international shipping and returns, but of course Farfetch makes it super easy. You can easily make returns from your home. I also love how Farfetch just gives you the opportunity to discover new brands because they have so much stock on their website. If you watch my past videos, you guys also know that one of my favorite things about Farfetch is that you can literally buy from boutiques all over the world. I've literally gotten stuff from like France and Italy, and this is a great way to support like boutiques all over the world. Another cool thing about Farfetch is I've often found stuff on their website that I haven't seen anywhere else, just because, like I said, they do partner with boutiques from all over the world, so they just like have more items than a lot of other places would. I am super excited to unbox these 2 items, and I'm also going to give you like a first impressions on the bag that I got. By the way, the packaging is so nice because if you do need to return something, you can just reuse the box that it comes with, and it even comes with like this like resealable tape. I always schedule an at-home pickup, which just makes returns super easy. Alright, so here is the item. I am so in love with this color. This is like one of the most beautiful shades of pink. It's one of those more like coral undertone kind of pinks, and you guys know that I just love a warm undertone pink. Alright, so the reason why I picked this one is because I had been seeing the Marc Jacobs Glam Shot like crossbody bag a lot, and I really like the way that it looks. I don't know why, but I just think it looks really cool and chic, and I just really like this logo for some reason. Even though this one is in silver hardware, I think that this tone of pink really goes well with the silver hardware. Anyway, so I'd just been seeing that crossbody bag like a lot, but I didn't necessarily want to buy that crossbody bag because I just feel like it's really trendy, and I'm not sure if it's something that I would like, you know, for a long time. So then I saw this and I saw like the perfect shade of pink, and I just had to have it. You guys know that I'm not like a huge small leather goods like collector. I don't have too many wallets, so I also tried to find something that I really don't have in my collection. I only have like one other like compact wallet, so I thought that this would be a great addition. I love compact wallets because you can really carry them in any bag. This one is a little bit thicker, so I don't feel like you can carry it in like a super mini bag, but it does seem like it'll fit most of my bags. This wallet is also cool because you can stick like full-size bills in here, which is a feature that I really love in like small compact wallets. And then of course there are a bunch of like card slots as well, and there's even like a little space for coins, so it's really got everything. Alright, so this is the bag that I got. I'm already really impressed with the packaging because like even the box was covered, so it's like in really immaculate condition. So the brand that I'm unboxing is Aspinall of London. Now, so many people have bought from this brand before, and I've always like admired their bags. I like how chic they look. I've just always thought that they were really interesting, and the price point is like pretty good too. I mean, I think this bag was $536. So it's not bad, and I do think that it's more of like a high-end like luxury brand. I'm super excited about this too because I am like curious about like the quality. You guys know that I've just been really skeptical of quality of luxury bags lately, so I really have made it a mission to kind of broaden my horizon when it comes to different brands, and that is also why I really wanted to try a new one. I don't know why, but this box just totally has a London feel. It's like, it feels really royal. I don't know. I think it's the logo. Oh, so the bag is very small. I think I knew that. It is a crossbody bag, but just for how big the box is, I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. Anyways, so here is the bag. Of course, you can see the handle already. It is pink. So here it is. Bam! Oh my god, look how cute this bag is. Wow, it actually also really smells good. It smells like leather, which I feel like usually isn't that strong in handbags, but this one really does smell like leather. Okay, so look how freaking cute this bag is. This bag, I don't know if it's just the fact that it says Esmeralda London, but I feel like it looks really posh. It's just so cute. I love how tiny it is. It kind of reminds me of like a school book bag, but like really shrunken down, and I really do love that look. You guys know I love like the pleated skirts and everything that kind of gives off schoolgirl vibes. I don't know why, but that's just something I'm really into. Okay, so I'm looking at this lock and I'm very confused because I don't know how to open it. It looks like there's actually like a key that goes in here. Oh, okay, I figured it out. All you do is press down on this part and then lift up. So yeah, that's interesting. That's very unique. I have never seen anything like that before. Alright, so the inside is actually pretty straightforward. And actually, this bag on the inside seems a lot bigger than you would think. I think it's because these sides actually open up like this so that you can get stuff in and out easier. I don't think that this necessarily means that you can stuff more in here because it still needs to close like this, but I do think that because the sides open up like this, you can like see your stuff easier when you are opening the bag. That's a really cool design feature. I don't think I've ever seen that in a bag before. So this is lined in like a fabric material, and there is one slip pocket in the back. There is a Esmeralda London care card in here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, there is also a pocket on the back that is magnetic. However, it's pretty tight. I don't think you could even fit a phone in here. Maybe you could fit some credit cards for, you know, easy access when you are shopping. Oh, and then there's also a little Esmeralda London stamping right here. Wow, I think this bag is super, super cute. Oh, and then there's also a chain, of course. Wow, so the chain is super pretty. It's one of these like metal with the leather threaded through. It's super cute. And then you just hook the chain onto the little D-rings on the side. And here you go. This is what the bag looks like. Oh my gosh, I think it's super, super cute. So like I was saying, I thought these were like similar colors when I was looking at them online, but now that I see they're similar tones, but this one is definitely lighter and brighter, but they still do, like they could go together. I probably wouldn't carry something like this Marc Jacobs wallet in a bag like this because it takes up so much room, so I would probably just carry like a card case in here. But let me go grab some of my items and then we can see what fits in here. Oh my gosh, now Sally is joining the party. Sally, what are you doing, baby? And Killian is just wiggling hardcore right now. Alright, so because this is a smaller bag, I'm actually going to forego a card holder or a wallet because there is a back pocket, and I usually like to utilize these back pockets to hold my credit card and ID, so I'm just going to stick those in the back. I can also stick it in the back like this so that it hangs out a little bit so I can pull them out easier. But of course you can fit a card case in here, obviously. But of course I'll just show you really quickly that a card case does fit in here and it doesn't really take up that much room. Alright, so I'm going to try to put my iPhone 13 Pro Max in here, but I don't think that it will fit. Actually, it does kind of fit, but because of the case that I have, it is a little bit hard to get in and out. Of course, I do sometimes use my Galaxy Z Flip, and that would definitely fit in here. Maybe if you don't have like a silicone case, it might be easier to put your phone in. But yes, the big iPhone does fit if that's the one that you have. Alright, so first I'm going to put in my little compact mirror slash hairbrush. I do have a hand sanitizer. I have my lipstick. I have a hand lotion, my eyelash glue, a compact powder, oil blotting sheets. I have my trusty little mini sriracha, and then I do have my car key and my fob to the house. So I think you can fit probably a few more loose items on the top here, but this is really all that I carry with me on a daily basis. And then of course, with all the items that I have in here, I can close it pretty easily as well. I have to say, I'm very, very impressed with this bag, especially for how mini it looks. I do feel like it can fit a lot. I think it can fit more than some of my other mini bags that I have, like my wallet on chains and everything like that. I also do think the quality is really, really good. I'm looking at it now. The stitching is really pretty. The mock croc effect is printed on very nicely. It looks like a super luxurious bag. For like, especially for the price that you're getting it at. But yeah, overall, I'm very, very impressed with this brand, Aspinwall London. I'm so glad that I was able to try it on Farfetch. I definitely think that this is a brand that I'm going to have on my radar, especially, like I said, with the price point and the quality. Have you guys tried anything from Aspinwall London before? Let me know in the comment section down below what your experiences with their quality and everything are, because I am curious to know, you know, like long term, how their bags hold up. But I'm definitely really excited to use this one. I will also show you some mod shots. Alright, so this is the bag on me, and oh my god, I love the way that this looks so much. It's so cute, and I think it'll be really great for spring and summer, like I said before. It goes really well with the dress that I'm wearing, and I feel like I do wear this sort of outfit a lot during the spring and summer. The chain, I think, is a really good length. It's not adjustable, but of course, since it is detachable, you can use like any gold chain to match the hardware that you want if you do want it to be bigger or smaller. I do think that it works really well as a crossbody, but I think that if I was to carry it as a shoulder bag, it would be a little bit too long on me, and I am 5'3", in case you guys didn't know. But yeah, this bag is super cute. I really, really like the way that it looks with this dress. I definitely do think that I'm going to be using this a lot coming up, especially with the baby. I'm always carrying like a bigger diaper bag, and then I do tend to use a small crossbody as well, so I think that this would be perfect for like every day. Like I said, if you do like any of the items that I'm showing you today, I will leave the links for them down below. Please also don't forget to use my coupon code. I will leave it here on the screen and down below. Killian was being extra loud in this video today, so sorry for all of the little interjections. But yeah, if you guys do want to follow kind of more of like my daily life stuff and see how I've been doing and transitioning into a mom and how Killian's doing, please go check out my vlogs. I am trying to upload vlogs on Wednesdays. I probably will skip a few Wednesdays here and there, but I am trying to do it like a weekly thing. So please go check those out if you are interested. And yeah, thank you again so much for Farfetch for sponsoring this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!